Hi, I'm Jenny Stone, and I am recovering from religion. Just kidding, but kind of also, yes, it's more of a revolution of religion. See, I left my religion officially 5 years ago, and I went through a journey and a process of grief, denial, anger, victimization, frustration, blaming, all of the things. As the only person in my family who has left this religion, I wanted to find a way to still be able to be with my family, call me crazy, and in a way that was mutually respectful and loving and kind and fun, And so I did a lot of work. And my decision to leave religion wasn't just 5 years ago. It had been 20 years in the making, really, since I went off to college and started to explore life outside of my little, hometown bubble and my family and friends, the whole individuation process or self-actualization process, if you will. And I found a lot of really cool tools that have helped me feel really good about not only my decision, obviously, otherwise I wouldn't have done it, but to help me continue in this world, society, culture, if you will, that is still predominantly this religion. And you can't escape it. Yeah, I mean, you can run away if you want, but that's just not my MO. And so I had to really sit with, or I chose to really sit with, okay, what is true for me? What is for the highest good of all involved? And I found really beautiful ways to connect with myself and my truth and still have respect and love for my friends and family who are still very much in that religion, and create conversations and connection with these people in a way that is safe, exploratory, compassionate, kind, honest, vulnerable, but so empowering. And I just want to share that with you. So this recovering from religion, I've got a book that's coming out, and the workshop and support circles that I teach are all about a safe place to come and share where you are in your journey. It is not a space to point fingers and to blame. It's not a space to badmouth or trash talk the religion or the people that are still in it. It is very much an uplifting and empowering what's next. Where do I go next? I chose out, so now where do I go? What do I do? Who do I connect with? How do I connect with people? Community was one of the biggest, hardest things to lose, right? You just immediately lose your community, your family, a lot of friends, even a whole bunch of really fun activities. Like, I miss choir so much, and I just really want to sing. So if anyone wants to, a singer in the band, I can also play a wicked tambourine. But I digress. So come play, come check it out. Maybe get a sneak peek of the book by subscribing to my email channel, come to one of the support circles, read one of my blogs, or come to one of my workshops or trainings. And see, I'm not here to convert or change people's beliefs. That's what religion felt like to me, was like, hey, it's kind of chosen for you. This is hey, let's explore what else is there, or how we can redefine what was in a way that now makes sense to us, instead of feeling lost and confused or frustrated or alone. Because you have the power. You are a divine, sovereign being. And I just want to play in this realm of possibilities of taking, maybe even some of the lessons that we learned maybe from that religion, and transmuting them and transforming them into our life now, our world now, our views and beliefs now, in a way that makes sense for you. And that's really all that matters, is you finding your way. I'm here to create a space and opportunities and tools that may help, and they may not, but it's up for you to try. So let's go. Namaste.